All right, still with me, Jeffrey Wolf, criminal defense attorney. Jeffrey, life without parole, an hour and a half, just about 93 minutes to put a man away forever. Your thoughts?
Well, I think you know my thoughts, Cody.
I know I'm beating a dead horse, but I mean, it's going along. But I mean, life without hour and a half, man. I mean, I get it. The circumstances kind of painted a picture here, but as you said, a puzzle without key puzzle pieces isn't a complete puzzle. And they admittedly said, hey, we don't have all the DNA and all that, but here we are. Man's going away forever.
Yeah, I think by the time you and I are done talking about this, it's entirely possible that we will discuss the circumstances of this case for longer than the jury did. And we certainly will discuss it for longer than the judge discussed it with the victim family. I mean, it boggles the mind. It boggles the mind how quickly a black man in the South can be put away for the rest of his life. It boggles the mind. And it's the only place you see it. You know, it just is what we do here in America.
Did on the flip side though, Jeffrey, did you think that his defense kind of overplayed the bizarre evidence thing? Remember the pay stub inside the burned car, that this piece of paper just so happened to not get burned up with everything else. They leaned into that trying to say it was planted, but they were making these allegations without proving any police misconduct, which is it's kind of a bold thing. Like, if you're going to say it was planted, show us a little bit more. Do you think they played too much into that? They leaned too much into that narrative?
Yeah, I mean, there are a lot of lawyers out there that are always looking for their Johnny Cochran or their Matlock moment, right? They want to have the time that they get to point the finger at dirty cops. But if you want to point the finger at dirty cops, you need to have a dirty cop to point the finger at. Not everybody's Mark Furman. May he rest in absolute non-peace. But it's just you got to do something for your client. You can't just sit on your hands and watch him go away. You just can't. You have to put on a defense. You have to stand up and stand with your client. You have to stand on 10 toes at all times. You have to do it when the prosecution witnesses are on the witness stand. You have to do it when it comes time to mount your own defense. And you absolutely have to do it at sentencing as well. You can't just say, well, my client doesn't have any criminal history, which is what we just heard his own lawyer do. Mm-hmm. This entire system failed this guy, whether he did it or not.
Well, Jeffrey,